Assalamu alaikum all. How are you all? Hope you are well. This is the Kamrujaman Kokil. I am a student. Already completed diploma in engineer in CSC from Pre-Gram Polytechnic Institute. Basically, I'm a sport lover. My love play football. My favorite player is Hamza Dewan Chaudhary because Hamza Dewan Chaudhary is honest football player. My future plan is a public motivational speaker and famous businessman. I am always follow it. I am always follows my father, who is a businessman and honest and positive mindset person. I am always following my father, and my next goal is go to abroad because higher education and supported family. Thank you all so much. Thank you so much.